Hello teachers! This article today is so good. It is how to open a bank account in Vietnam. Are you ready? Okay, one of the major concerns for an expat living in Vietnam is how to open a bank account. Registering a bank account for a foreigner is more complicated in terms of conditions and documents, but it can be done. Okay, to open the bank account, you need the following things. Passport that is still valid for at least 6 months. Temporary residency card, a work permit or work visa, temporary residence confirmed by the police, a minimum deposit for the bank, which is usually around 50,000 VND, and an application form which will be given to you by the bank and just ask you the basic questions of your birth name, your birth date, where you're from, etc. You can go to a local branch to open your account, but most banks these days allow applications to happen online, which can save you time and energy. Whatever method you choose, you can have your card shipped to your house within 5 to 7 business days. And this is usually a charge of about 30,000 VND. After opening your bank account, you'll be charged about 50,000 VND a month for it to stay operable. And there is a 10,000 VND a month charge if you use online banking, which is very helpful, I promise you that. Some banks have a first year free policy, which means you won't start paying until the 2nd year of use. The cost is deducted from the account automatically, so you don't have to go to the bank to do it. I want to help you think about some criteria to use when choosing a bank in Vietnam. Since the number of transactions is increasing daily, some of the competition between banks and policies are now used to attract new customers. I would suggest choosing a bank that is reputable and can process your transactions quickly, choosing a bank that offers a lot of incentives like the first year free, card maintenance fee, free money transfers, free issuance fee, etc. If you're going to open a savings account, make sure you choose a bank with an attractive interest rate. You can choose a bank that applies the online card application, and that will save you time. And then choose a bank depending on what your services are. If you needed to make transactions, receive a salary, pay tuitions and fees, order stuff from online like Lazada. Here's a good part in the article about international money transfers. It says, in general, transferring money from Vietnam to another country can be difficult. You can only send and receive money outside the country if you have foreign currency in your accounts or legal receipts. If your legal receipts are in Vietnamese dong, you can purchase foreign currency and then remit or carry overseas. Each bank charges a different amount for international transfers, and some banks don't offer this service at all. Vietcom Bank, for example, the one I use, when you want to transfer a minimum fee of $5 and the maximum of $200, you will have to charge 0.2% on the total amount of your transaction. If you want to make transactions in cash, you'll have to show your relevant documentation. For example, if the amount is from your salary here, then you have to submit your work permit, your labor contracts, pay stubs, your passport. However, you can transfer money from your foreign account to one in Vietnam by using TransferWise, Swift Transfer, or Xoom. That's Xoom. So, in conclusion, having a bank account in Vietnam is going to make life way easier, especially for ordering things online, transferring money internally, and being able to use the ATM machines to withdraw cash. I hope that this video can help you understand the process of opening a bank here in Vietnam to see that it is possible. It's not too difficult, it just requires the correct documentation. So that's it for today, a short and sweet guide to opening a bank account here in Vietnam. Hope you enjoy, hope to see you soon, teachers. Bye bye.